66-year-old farmer charged with rape and grievous assault of 7-year-old girl. Taxi operator charged with rape, burglary, and assault. Teenager charged for alleged possession of gun and ammunition. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 66-year-old Reginald Iberts, otherwise called Reggie, a farmer of Albion Mountain, St. Mary, was arrested and charged with rape and grievous assault following an incident in his community early this year. Reports from the Albion police are that on 3 separate occasions in 2023, Hibbert sexually assaulted a 7-year-old girl. A report was made to the police and an investigation launched. Hibbert was later arrested and charged. His court date is being finalized. A taxi operator was charged under the Sexual Offences Act by lawmen assigned to the St. Mary Police Division following an incident in Rio Nuevo in St. Mary on Thursday, August 17. Charged is 45-year-old Kevin Broomfield, otherwise called Phoenix, a taxi operator of Content, St. Anne. Broomfield was charged with rape, burglary, and assault occasioning actual bodily harm. According to police reports, at about 9:30 p.m. on August 17, Broomfield kicked in the door and entered a complainant's apartment, and a physical altercation occurred. The victim was hit in the face multiple times when she lost consciousness. She later realized that she was sexually assaulted. A report was made to the police and Broomfield was arrested. On Sunday, August 20, Broomfield was charged after a question and answer session. His court date is being finalized. A 16-year-old boy has been charged with several offenses following the seizure of a firearm at his home on Walker's Avenue in Gregory Park, Portmore on August 16. The police stated that about midday, lawmen were on an operation in the area when a premises that was occupied by the teen was searched. During the search, a .38 revolver containing 138 round of ammunition was allegedly found in his possession. He was subsequently arrested. He is charged with possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and removal of mark on firearm.